Let's go, let's go. Asa yung mga kampi nyo? Nawawala.
Pascal Wave, ang ganda ng pasa. Easy to points coming from Shaw Bitches. To Brian, easy to points coming from Brian. Pascal Wave, ay ganda ng pasa to sila close to Cordero. Basket count by Cordero. So Alexis lumipat. There is a whistle. Foul jersey number 11, second personal foul, 13 foul. Second throw, basket is good. Cordero to Alexis. 14 seconds shot clock, 14 seconds shoot. Shalwin for 3. Vega, Shalwin, 3 points. Second throw. Basket is good. Cordero dribble the ball to Plum. Plum for 3. Vega, Plum, 3 points. Full of Jafar. Easy 2 points coming from Growback. 3. Vega, Cordero, 3. Alban to Galvez. 14 seconds shot clock, 14 seconds to shoot. Plum for 3. Look at the ball, Brian. Ay, ganda. Forward is Parson, nothing but net. Second throw. Basket again. Plum. Plum for 3. Vega. Plum. 3 point. Plum. Plum for 3. Vega. Plum. 3 point. Trying to be disrupted. Pass to Alexis. Alexis. Pass to Bustos. 14 seconds shot clock, 14 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds shot clock, 10 seconds to shoot. The right. Drive for 3. Vega. Right. 3 point. Bustos. The right. Drive for 3. Look at the lower RP. Basket count by RP. Foul jersey number 23 across. So Bowie, ang ganda na bata.
Yung pala si Pacquiao, hindi mo naman sinabi. Oh. Ano, saan tayo dyan? Shoot pala.
Alexis, ang muli ang bilis. This is the first game from Alex.